In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a label in the Gmail app. Labels are a fantastic way to organize your email, helping you categorize and easily access important conversations without the clutter. So whether you're managing work emails or keeping track of personal communications, learning to create labels can be a real game changer. Let's dive right in. Start by opening the Gmail app on your device. Once inside your inbox, look towards the left side of your screen where your list of emails resides. Here you'll see the names of existing labels if you have any set up already. Look for a small icon that resembles a plus sign. This icon is typically located next to where your labels are listed. By clicking on this plus icon, you're essentially beginning the process of creating a new label. Think of it as telling Gmail, I've got a new category I want to sort my emails into. Once you click that plus icon, a pop-up window or a small dialog box may appear, prompting you to type in the name of your new label. Here's a tip. Choose a name that clearly indicates the type of emails you wish to sort using this label. For instance, if you're creating a label for emails related to a project at work, you might name it after the project. Or if it's for personal correspondence, perhaps something like family or friends will do the trick. Naming it clearly helps you easily identify and retrieve emails whenever you need them. After you've typed in your desired label name, the next step is simple yet crucial. Click on the Create button. This click essentially finalizes the setup of your new label and tells Gmail to start recognizing and sorting emails under this category. When those emails arrive or when you go to sort existing ones, they can now neatly tuck themselves under this new organizational tag. And that's it, you've successfully created a label in Gmail. It's a simple 3-step process: accessing the labels section, naming your new label, and clicking create. With this new tool at your disposal, managing your inbox becomes a whole lot easier, allowing you to streamline your email activities more efficiently. If you ever want to add more emails to a particular label in the future, you can simply select the emails and assign the label from the options menu. It's a flexible system that grows with you, accommodating all your varying priorities and tasks. Thanks for learning with us today, and I hope this process of creating labels in Gmail helps simplify your digital life. Be sure to check out more of our tips and tutorials to become an even more confident Gmail user. Stay organized and have a wonderful day.